I'm headed to the sizzling hot Fulton Market neighborhood in the West Loop, to a location that's a short walk from McDonald's headquarters, Google offices, a CTA stop, and a fabulous dining and nightlife scene for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new 166. I'm at apartment 908, a one-bedroom, looking west toward the United Center and the nearby Illinois Medical District. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades flood light into the apartment even on a gloomy day. High ceilings, blonde plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Comfortably furnished. You have a home office desk, your TV, chest of drawers. Looking at an efficient galley kitchen, breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters, stainless steel appliance package that includes a French door refrigerator with ice and water in the door. There's a 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Wide undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. You have 42-inch upper cabinets, brushed blonde, contrasting with the chocolate-stained lower cabinets. There's center cabinet lighting and a tile backsplash, and designer pendant lighting above the peninsula. We're in a Sweet Home apartment. So there's a goodie bag to welcome you home with drinks and snacks, and all the cookware, cutlery, countertop appliances, glasses, dishware, etc. that you're going to want to feel right at home. Just bring your suitcase. Turning toward the bedroom and bath, a wide bath with a nice sized vanity, drawers for storage, quartz countertop. It's a deep soaking tub and a body spray attachment in the shower. Toilet is soft close. Turning into the bedroom, floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades looking out to the west. You have your queen-size bed, and you have your walk-in closet with additional linens and a laundry basket. Heading toward the entryway, keyless entry system, coat closet off to your left as you walk in, and ideally set, apart from the living and dining areas, your front-loading washer dryer. 166 is pet-friendly. Amenities include a well-equipped fitness center, an outdoor pool deck, co-working space, resident lounges with a demo kitchen and a gaming area, and a sky garden. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more furnished short-term apartments in Chicagoland and other locations. They're a sweet deal.